going to be really hard to get through this water. So I don't think I could get it now. Although I might have to wait until this dries up. But we'll take a quick hike up here. I didn't bring my snips with me. I don't want to get any ticks on me either, you know. Comes a car, comes a bus. Look around for some snakes. Somebody put a new deer stand in here, guys. Might be falling apart. Another one. Oh, back there, there's another one. I'd say this is probably from the same person. And these are some heavy screws they put in here. But the front of this don't look too good. It's definitely slanting downward, which ain't good. So the rope is kind of dry rotted. Oh. Yeah, the rope's a little bit dry rotted as well. See that? I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's got dust on it there. Take a quick look over here. This is leaning crooked. I don't think this is too good. As a stand, I mean, if you're sitting here, that's a lot of pressure against this little pivot joint. Yeah, so I don't know if that's safe, you know. I would have run a 2x4 from there down to the ground, top of another board as well, just to be extra safe. Gotta watch the ticks, guys. New ticks are out. What I'm after and why I'm up here. There's little bits of metal over here. Not really worth going after. So far rusted. Wow, so nice out here. Not sure what kind of shape this is in. Looks kind of rusted. There's a drain right there. Got a compressor, some copper in here as well. I don't know if that line looks cut or busted right there. Not sure. So I'm afraid I grab this up and load it up with metal and take it to the scrapyard, but it's a big puddle down there, guys. I'm not sure I want to go down there and do all that just yet. That guy's speeding over there. Good way to get yourself killed if a deer hits you. But some people are just I got speed 24/7, you know. And you end up with tickets. Maybe getting killed. Or killing somebody else. So yeah, I don't think this is good, guys. I'm just gonna probably just leave this here. I'll come back for some cord or whatever. It's just the water, you know. It's got a clip right there. Whoa. Alright guys, we got the cord. We got the cord. I was gonna say maybe this thing will work. Uh, some more copper. Okay, that's about it. Really, that's this line looks like it's all rusted. So that's not even copper. This looks like a good copper piece. That's about it, guys. Not much there. There's not much to it. Maybe that hunk of metal will come back for one day when there's nothing else. Which is today. There's not really much going on, guys. I've been trying to get back into the scrap thing. You know, I went out garbage night, found nothing but a broomstick handle. It's like, there's just not much around, you know, to gather up. I've hit all the dumpsters I normally hit, found some chairs and stuff in one video, but there's not a lot of it anymore, and it's getting hard, you know. There goes the turkey right there along the ridge line. You guys see that? Hopefully. Oh, the one is hobbling. It's okay, I'm not gonna bother you guys. Nature is something else, you know. So, some clothes over here. See a aluminum chair over here. I don't know what that's all about. It's been a while since I've even been back in the woods. Yeah, it's a chair. Looks like it's busted. I could carry that out of here, I guess. I don't know if you guys want to see videos like this, or see a big bottle down there. Yeah, stuff like this is going to be hard for me to carry out of here. Maybe I could find a bag or soda bottle. If I could find a bag or something. Hopefully I locked up my Jeep, so. There's an old Christmas tree there. Part of a TV. Oh, what do we got here? A rat's nest. Some copper in there, but it's not worth getting. It's so far gone. So old, you know, it's full of yuckiness. And I got a handful as it is, guys. More cans all over. I need a bag, guys. Hopefully I could find some kind of bag. That looks dirty. I mean, it's been a while since I've been able to come out here. It's been freaking cold, you know. So I could come up here. We're gonna load up on cans. some metal. I'd rather go after the cans right now. If you can follow me. Hopefully find a bag, guys. The turkey went this way. Deer hunting gotta be over now, right, guys? I don't want to get shot. Looks like somebody camped here not too long ago, maybe a year ago, 2 years ago. Wow. Turkeys are down that ridge line here now. Turkey. They're hanging around. They might have babies somewhere. So, not seeing too much out and that way. Let's continue. What is this thing? That's kind of odd right there, guys. Looks like another camp was here at one time. I've been back here sometimes, and people just leave the whole tent. Hose? Who brings a hose in the woods, you know, for what? Somebody left their shoes behind. Somebody left their shoes. A pair of them, too. A pair of shoes right there. Too far gone, that's for sure. What is this, all soda bottle? I don't know. Old toilet. It's an old peanuts jar down there. I don't know if that's worth anything. Looks like a peanut jar. Not sure what that is. What's this? Galvanized. Gotta get out of here, I guess, guys. Go check out another area. There's a blue bottle, but it's busted, guys. It's a nice one. It's busted though. Ay, ay, ay. I could smell the brakes coming down that mountain. That's not good. I want to see what's in this hole though. Wonder what this is. Oh, the skeeters are out already. Good smelling them brakes, that's for sure. Used to be camps all over here. I don't know if they're still allowed to be coming back here. Yeah, you just don't know around here. It's like Sasquatch territory, you know. I don't know if you guys believe in that stuff, but man, I heard some crazy stuff. In fact, that's what this channel used to be about. I was starting a new channel and I said, this would be about Bigfoot and searching for him. And I said, you know what? Coming out with all these new tick diseases and stuff like that, I can't be doing that. I shouldn't be out in the woods now. The ticks are out full force. I need to find a way to get out of here. But that's a good trail to get up this mountainside. Okay, I'm gonna head down here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little woods walk. Coming along with me. I'm gonna work my way down, get my cans. I was hoping to find a bag or something over here to, fill up with cans. It's just cans all over. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up before I launch this video. Hey guys, had to hustle a little bit, but I think we'll head out. I'll come back. We'll be back here one day if you guys like this type of stuff. If you like this type of stuff, we'll be back. I keep seeing like holes over here. I don't know if it has the ends. There's brass on these, but it's in the ground, so just loaded with money. Loaded with money here. Not a lot of money. Oh, there's some heavier metals. Some piping. It's going to be a lot to carry out. Did see something over here, I thought, but maybe not. Just little old junk piles around. Float this sucker one more time. I don't see any big rips or nothing in it. Why not? Another fire pit. It's not, I guess, not too bad. It's got holes in it and everything, guys. Somebody's balloon. Somebody bought a balloon. This is where it landed. See what it says. Happy birthday. Probably still good. It's probably still a good balloon. You guys think? Pump it full of air or what? I got air. See a piece of copper. Oh boy. This stuff is light. It wants to move in the wind, Trying to get it in the bag is a problem. I do see a... Come on, get in there. Piece of copper. Oh, it keeps going. So there's no ants. It's a nice chunk of copper right there. Throw that in the bag, I guess. Hopefully it don't rip the bag. It's got some weight to it. I'm not going to put a lot in the bag now, so I don't know. Some paint cans. Just going to work my way back to the car. Yeah, so I'm going to have to go pick up my friend. In fact, there's the call, guys. So I'm gonna pause this.